Hello, I'm Vaishali Kohli and you're watching NewsX. Now, the Madras High Court has directed the Tamil Nadu government to come up within 10 days with an SOP governing permission granted to political parties and other organizations seeking to conduct public meetings. The High Court has permitted others, including AIADMK, to submit their suggestions by November the 11th. The court also made it clear that the order shall not be an impediment in considering applications seeking to hold public meetings in places other than state or national highways. So, of course, viewers, now this is a big story coming in, where, of course, the Madras High Court has directed the Tamil Nadu government, of course, to come up with 10 days, within 10 days, with an SOP which governs permission that is granted to political parties and other organizations seeking to conduct public meetings. And of course, the High Court, as I was telling you, has permitted others, including AIADMK, to submit their suggestions by November the 11th. I have my colleague Belly Thomas joining me with more details. Belly, what can you tell us about this development? All right, we're going
to...
Yes, go on.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah.
The Madras High Court has directed the Tamil Nadu government to frame an SOP within 10 days for granting permission to political meetings following the Karur Stampede. And this was on Monday, where the Madras High Court has directed the Tamil Nadu government formulate the SOPs within 10 days for granting permission to political parties and organizations seeking to hold public meetings in the state. And this bench, comprising of Chief Justice Manindra Mohan Srivastava and Justice G. Arul Murugan, hearing petitions related to the Karur Stampede case, said that the permissions for political meetings should be processed well in advance to ensure public safety and law and order. And apart from that, there is one more. The court also observed that the authorities must grant permission a few days before the event, allowing the organizers adequate time to mobilize resources and comply with safety guidelines. And all this intended to take care of public safety and law and order. And they also went on, the bench also clarified that the pendency of these petitions should not be treated as an impediment for considering applications to conduct political meetings, except in the cases where the venue sought is located on the state or national highways. And like you said, the court also permitted the political parties, including the AIADMK, to submit their suggestions on the standard operating procedures by November 11th. And the bench also disposed of a petition filed by a BJP councillor, Uma Anandan, seeking a CBI probe into the Karur Stampede incident, noting that the Supreme Court has already issued directions in this matter. Coming to the Karur Stampede that occurred on September 27th during a rally organized by the Vijay's Tamil Vetri Kazhagam party, claimed 41 lives and injuring over 100. Back to you, Vaishali.
Well, thank you for joining me with all those details. And now, in the latest updates in the suicide case of a 19-year-old in Arunachal Pradesh, it has been found that the accused, senior IAS officer Talu Potham, has surrendered to police at 7:30 a.m.